Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to Nidhi TV. Hey guys, today I will say you some name of exercise things that can help you for learning English. So let's begin. First one is trampoline. Trampoline. Again I repeat, trampoline. Next one is jump rope. Jump rope. Again I repeat, jump rope. Next one is rowing machine. Rowing machine. Again I repeat, rowing machine. Next one is exercise ball. Exercise ball. I repeat, exercise ball. Next one is exercise bike. Exercise bike. I repeat, exercise bike. Next one is punching bag. Punching bag. I repeat, punching bag. Next one is barbell. Barbell. I repeat, barbell. Next one is exercise mat. Exercise mat. I repeat, exercise mat. Next one is Dumllells. Dumllells. I repeat, Dumllells. Next one is treadmill. Treadmill. I repeat, treadmill. So that's all today. Hey guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Take care of your health. Thank you so much.